QU. What is the sound of QU? Okay. Now read the words.
Quack a quack. Quack a pig. Quack in a queen. Quack a la quail. Quack a interpret. Quack interpret. Quack in a quiver.
Quiver. Quiver. Again. Quiver.
Quiver.
Yes.
Quack eat a quite. Quack is squeeze. Quack eat a quit. Quack is a quest. Quack eat a queen. Quack is willing. Sir, you.
Again. Quack.
Quack is a squish.
Squish.
Squish. Quack as squash.
Very good.
Quack. Quack.
What is the sound of letter E?
Quack a bench. But in quack in the backward.
Banquet.
Banquet.
Again. Ba a n
But
qua.
a the banquet.
Yes.
The e. Quack e the liquid.
Very good. Write down quack.
Quack and quack.
Write down. Now write down quick. E and then k. Properly write down, dear. Now write down queen. Write down properly. Now write down quail. Yes. Quail. Now write down next word, that is quilt. Quilt. Now write down next word, that is quaint. 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 Now write down quite. Now write down quiz. Buzzing sound. Quiz. Quiz everyone. Next word, that is quit. Yes, quit.
Quit.
Now next word, that is quest.
Quest. Quest.
Yes, now write down next word, that is squid.
Quid.
Yes. Quid everyone. Very good. Now write down quill. Quill. Yes, now write down next word, that is squish.
Squish.
Yes. Very good. Squish. Now write down squash.
Squash.
Now write down quench.
Quench.
Yes. Now write down next word, that is liquid.
Liquid. Liquid.
Very good. Now write down next word, that is banquet. Ban. First ban. Write down ban first. Ban. Yes, very good. Now quait, dear. Quait.
Banquet.
Yes, banquet. Easy. Very good. Say again, which word is this?
Banquet.
Yes, very good. Now write down next word, that is quiver. Say.
Quiver.
Yes. Quiver. Very good.